The center channel is the heart of your home theater, handling the majority of dialogue and anchoring sound to the screen. Prioritize vocal clarity and ensure it tonally matches your main speakers. Top 2026 picks include the premium KEF Q650C and value-driven Klipschor 52C. Starting at number 1. Polk's Signature Elite ES35 Slim Center Channel Speaker. The Polk Signature Elite ES35 is a high-performance slim center channel speaker that delivers crystal-clear dialogue and room-filling sound without dominating your space, thanks to its high-res audio certification and full compatibility with Dolby Atmos and DTS-X formats. At its core, a 1-inch Terraline tweeter and an array of 6.3 woofers work in harmony with cascading crossovers, while Polk's patented dual power port technology ensures deep, distortion-free bass that lets you feel the impact of on-screen action. With a 150-watt power handling capacity, broad frequency response, and versatile placement options, whether on a shelf or wall-mounted below your TV, this sleek black speaker seamlessly blends into any decor and pairs perfectly with modern AVRs to create an immersive, cinematic experience. Number 2. Klipsch Reference Premier RP504C2 Speaker. The Klipsch Reference Premier RP504C2 is a formidable center channel speaker engineered to make every word and effect land with stunning clarity and authority, anchored by a larger 90° x 90° silicone composite hybrid Tractrix horn that delivers crisp, pinpoint-accurate dialogue. Its exclusive linear travel suspension titanium diaphragm tweeter, paired with a vented housing, minimizes distortion and extracts fine sonic details, while the all-new cerametallic woofers ensure flawless sound reproduction with maximum efficiency and minimal coloration. Tractrix sported technology enables rapid, clean air transfer for powerful, impactful bass, and the advanced, heavily braced cabinet, finished in rich walnut with a magnetically attached grille, reduces unwanted vibrations and doubles as a striking furniture-grade statement piece, making it a premium choice for discerning home theater enthusiasts. Number 3. KEF Q650C Center Channel Speaker. The KEF Q650C is a refined center channel speaker that builds upon the brand's award-winning Q-series lineage, featuring an improved UniQ driver array engineered to deliver smoother, more natural treble frequencies for exceptionally clear and lifelike dialogue. Its acoustic performance is elevated by a new closed-box mid-range cabinet that significantly boosts clarity while producing cleaner, punchier bass, and the driver configuration, a central 6.5-inch UniQ array flanked by two 6.5 bass drivers, ensures a wide, cohesive soundstage that anchors on-screen action with precision. Capable of handling 150 watts of power and equipped with binding post connectors for a secure wired connection, the Q650C is available in sleek walnut, black, or white vinyl finishes to complement any decor, though its magnetic grille is sold separately for those wanting a clean, custom look. Number 4. Polk Monitor XT30 Compact Speaker. The Polk Monitor XT30 is a compact yet powerful center channel speaker designed to deliver crystal-clear dialogue and dynamic, high-resolution sound without overwhelming your space, featuring high-res audio certification and full compatibility with Dolby Atmos and DTS-X formats for an immersive home theater experience. Its 1-inch Terraline tweeter and dual 5.25 dynamically balanced woofers work together to produce smooth mid-range and detailed highs, creating a wide, engaging soundstage that brings movies and music to life. With a 40-watt power handling capacity, 4 and 8 ohm compatibility, and a sleek midnight black finish, this stylish speaker fits effortlessly into most AV consoles, bookshelves, or on stands, while its timbre-matched design ensures seamless blending with other Polk Monitor XT series components, making it an affordable and versatile foundation for building a unified surround sound system. Number 5. ELAC Debut 2.0 C6.2 Center Channel Speaker. The ELAC Debut 2.0 C6.2 is a center channel speaker that paints a majestic, life-sized soundstage, bringing movies and music to life with its newly developed 1-inch cloth dome tweeter that extends response up to 35,000 Hz for exceptionally lifelike high frequencies, while dual 6.5 woven aramid fiber woofers deliver superior stiffness and damping for smoother, extended low-frequency response far beyond typical polypropylene or paper designs. Its two-way bass reflex configuration is housed in a thick, internally braced MDF cabinet that reduces unwanted vibrations, and the front firing ports ensure flexible placement against walls or in bookshelves without compromising performance. With 120 watts of power handling, optimized sensitivity, and impedance designed to minimize power requirements from AV receivers, this speaker delivers maximum dynamic impact even from lower-cost electronics, and its black ash vinyl finish offers a sleek, modern look that seamlessly blends into any decor, making it a standout choice for those seeking affordable, high-end sound from a brand that redefined the category.